geometry. In this problem, we're going to go over two word problems. So let's go over the first one. In a sample of 40 people, 16 said that they liked pineapple on their pizza because pineapple does belong on pizza. How many people would you expect to like pineapples at a party with 200 people? So let's start off by putting together a ratio. So let's put total number of people, and I'm going to shorthand people, in the denominator, and the people who like pineapple on their pizza. Those that like, I'm going to shorthand pineapple on pizza. Okay, PA stands for pineapple, by the way. Alrighty, so let's put together some of this information. So in a sample of 40, so here's my total. This is the total. 16 said that they like pineapple on their pizza. So the first ratio I'm going to set up is 16 over 40 because 40 is a total number of people. 16 is the number of people that said that like pineapple on their pizza. What we're trying to find is the number of people we would expect to like pineapple if there's a total, so 200 is going to go in my denominator, if there's a total of 200 people at a party. So I don't know what that number of people is yet, so I'm going to put a variable in my numerator, and that's going to be x. And now we can cross multiply. So we're going to do 16 times 200 equals 40 times x. And then we just use our algebra. So 16 times 200 is 3,200. And then we're going to divide both sides by 40. So x equals 80. So 80 people would like pineapple on their pizza at a 200-person party. Okay, let's do the second problem. So in the second problem, we're told that a jar is filled with pennies and nickels in a ratio of 5-3. So right away, I'm going to set up, I know that I've got one of my ratios is going to be 5-3. For every 5 pennies there are 3 nickels. There are 30 nickels in a jar. How many total coins are there? Okay, so let's start off by setting up a ratio with what we know. So we know we've got pennies and we've got nickels. And those are in a ratio of 5-3, respectively. So we're going to put 5 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So let's figure out how many pennies there are in the jar if we know we've got 30 nickels. We're going to put P for pennies. Let's cross multiply. So 5 times 30 is going to give us 150 equals 3p. We're going to divide both sides by 3. And if there are 30 nickels in the jar, that means there's going to be 50 pennies. So now that I know how many total nickels and how many total pennies there are, I can figure out how many coins. So I've got 30 nickels plus 50 pennies for a total of 80 coins. And we're done.